What's up, nail crew? First of all, it's not even that sunny, but I have my sunglasses on because I just got off work. It is 6:30 and I'm tired. And my eyes, I'm tired. I don't want no one saying, girl, you definitely look your age today. Y'all always saying I don't look like I'm 40. But today, they did not even give me the right. I'm at Wendy's, guys, and I got a fish patty and a salad, and I wanted the big, large salad. Anyway, the point of the video is not about my salad. The point of the video is about my nails. So I have the Burano nails on, and I told you guys when I did these nails, my intention was not to leave them on for more than 2 weeks. Not at all. So the claim from this company is that the primer will have your nails on for 30 days. Like right there on the label, it says 30 days. So I'm like, there's no way anyone's ever going to leave their nails on for 30 days to even find out. So basically, you could claim whatever you want because no one's ever going to test it. Well, by accident, because I've been so busy, my nails have been on for a month. Guys, my nails have been on for a month. Look at this. It ain't what I ordered. But yeah. Yeah. So, yeah. The nails have been on for a month, guys. I'm like pleasantly surprised. The polygel was soft, so I thought it wasn't going to be strong enough to handle my lifestyle because I'm so busy. I'm so hands-on, guys, literally. But they stayed on, and like I told you guys before, I hit my nails so many times that I thought the nail had broke. I even slammed one in the door, guys, and they're still on. They're still on, which like boggles my mind. But I really, really want to soak them off because it's been a month. And I'm just tired of looking at them. Like, nothing's wrong with them. They look great. I do have a lot of growth space, obviously, because they've been on a month. But other than that, if I wanted to just fill these nails, I could literally just fill them. But I don't want them anymore. I just want to take them off. And I just want to do something different. Do something fun. Just get a whole new set. Like, period. Like, that's all. So that's what I'm going to do today. When I get home, I'm going to soak these off. I typically do not record my soak off videos because that's boring. Like, who wants to watch someone soak off nails, right? But since I did that video where I soaked, 9 different polygels, and none of them soaked off, not even the one that clearly on the label said soak off polygel. Since I did that video, I've got a lot of DMs saying, okay, so how are we supposed to get these nails off? What happens? They don't soak off, so am I stuck with these? So because of those questions, people, I'm going to just remove my nails on camera so that you guys can see the way I do it. I don't know, maybe even give me tips on tricks. Tips and tricks. I said tips on tricks. Give me tips and tricks on how you remove your polygel, because I typically do a file down with the e-file and then soak method. I'm in the parking lot of Wendy's, so I keep looking around like, I don't want anyone to see me talking to the camera and think I'm a weirdo. I am a weirdo, but they don't need to know that. But anyway, when I'm finished my salad, I am going to go home and I'm going to record me removing my nails. So, yeah, I just want to give you guys an update. Like, these nails are still on a month later. Crazy. Crazy. But anyway, let me eat my food. Let me show you my fish. Let me show you the fish, guys. I just get the fish patty. I don't get the whole sandwich because it's summer and I need to lose some weight. So, just make sure it looks okay. So, yeah, so I get the fish patty, right? It is fried. Oh, I know. But I mean, it's better than the alternative or of getting a burger. I don't eat meat, so this is what it's gonna get at Wendy's. So I have a fish patty, and then I have a salad, and so I have a fish salad because I'm gonna break up pieces of the fish and put it on the salad. And guys, trust me, that is so delicious. I'm telling you, like, oh my god. All right. So that's it, guys. I see you in a little bit. Now, Crystal, I got home, and this is the first thing that was at my door. Now, it's blurred out because I don't want the addresses to show and such like that, but I just want to get these nails off so I can dig into those boxes. All right, so right now I'm showing you guys there is a little bit of lifting on the pointer finger. I have never in my life been so excited to see a little bit of lifting, because that means that nail should soak off relatively well. But that was it. Just a little bit of lifting on one of the pointer fingers. And to be honest, I wish that they were all lifting. I do, because that lets the soak off process go a little bit quicker. Like, I feel like I'm going to be here all night, and I just want to get into those boxes. To be honest, if I wasn't so pressed to get these nails off just because I'm sick of looking at them, I would have definitely switched up the order of the videos and did an unboxing video today and took these nails off another day. But it's been 30 days and I'm ready, guys. I'm ready for something new and fresh and glittery and bright and just vibrant and all that. So I'm going to file these off and we're just going to talk. I'm just going to talk to you guys. You guys are going to keep me company as I take my nails off, okay? So one thing I want to tell you guys is as I'm filing these nails down, remember when I did them and I said that, what is it called? Slip solution. Remember when I said the slip solution smelled good? Well, as I'm filing these nails down, it smells like the slip solution, which is pretty cool. Like, it smells good. And I have on a mask. Anytime I'm filing nails, I like to wear a mask. And I can still smell that kind of fruity odor straight through the mask, which is kind of cool. All right, so what I'm doing now, guys, is trying to take off my bling. I'm leaving this part in real time because I want you guys to see my struggle with my bling. And this could be a good thing or a bad thing. Good because, yo, the bling gel that I make is the truth, okay? It is the truth. It's holding big stones. It's holding little stones. Like, nothing is moving. But on the other hand, guys, this is what I have to go through every time I go to take them off. I struggle. I struggle so much that when I was taking my niece's bling off, I nipped her cuticle and she started bleeding. So thankfully, Princess Nails by Diana got me these cuticle nippers. Or I don't even know if they're cuticle nippers. I think they're like some sort of jewelry tool. And these have a more dull tip. So if I was to get too close to someone's cuticle, I don't think it will harm them to the point where they'll start bleeding. So thank you so, so much, Princess Nails by Diana. I really, really, really appreciate that. And yeah, just good looking out because I don't want to hurt anybody. Like, that's the last thing I want to do. But guys, the struggle is real and I'm like past and
thanks, Mom. It's easy to hide, to give into the pain, like Hannah did. She started to believe that she was less than.
Guys, literally, if I do not watch Netflix when I'm taking my nails down, I will probably just leave them on for another 30 days because it's such a tedious process. I need something to take my mind off of it. And this show right here, 13 Reasons Why, I'm telling you, you will be so wrapped up in it, you won't even realize that you just took 30 minutes just to remove bling. All right, so what I did for the right hand was I soaked it in acetone for 10 minutes. Well, maybe let's just say like 5-6 minutes. Let's just be real. 5-6 minutes just to soften up the gel around the bling, thinking that will help. So I soaked my nails in acetone, guys, thinking the gel around the bling will soften up and then I could just flick them right off. No. Watch the struggle. Just watch the struggle, y'all. Do you see this? Like, I'm just going to leave this in real time because I want you guys to see the struggle. I mean, do you guys struggle like this? If I use regular glue to hold my stones on, they don't last but like maybe 2-3 days. Okay, so then I make my own bling gel, and then they don't want to come off at all. Then they're permanent. And to be honest, I don't even know which one is worse. I don't know which one is worse. But I'm going to soak them again and see if that will soften up the gel a little bit more. And no, it did not. The poly gel didn't get too soft, and the gel around the bling did not get soft. So I am just going to file off my bling, guys. I'm going to file off my bling because it's like, what else can I do at this point? There's nothing else for me to do at this point but to file it down. So I'm filing down my nails. I'm filing down the bling. And I got it to where it's a little bit more thin. See that? Nice and thin, guys. That's the good thing about polygel. It doesn't soak off, but it files down rather quickly. So now I'm going to put that back in the acetone. I did that for another 5-6 minutes, and then I'm filing. The purpose of the acetone is to make the polygel soft enough to where when you file it off with the e-file or the hand file, that it goes a little bit quicker. That does not always happen, and depending on what polygel you use, you might as well just forfeit the acetone and just go on with the filer and just not even consider acetone, to be honest. I personally do not feel like the acetone is helping in this situation. I feel like I should have just filed it down and not even tried to soak it. Okay? But I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but here we are. So I soaked for about 5-10 minutes. I filed, I soaked, I filed. And I did that about 3 times. On the last time, I noticed that it was thin enough to where I didn't have to soak it or file it again. So I ended up switching to the diamond drill bit because remember, the diamond drill bit is safe enough for your natural nail plate. So now that most of the polygel is gone, you can no longer use that coarse drill bit because you will definitely damage your nail plate and more than likely the cuticle and the skin surrounding the nail as well. All right, guys, so pretty much that is it. This is how I remove my polygels. So now once all of the polygel is gone, I go ahead and spray my nails with alcohol because, you know, I just love alcohol. I mean, I just do. When you work in the medical field for as long as I have, like, alcohol is your best friend. Look how healthy my nail plate looks. Like, even though I had to use the filer and, like, drill it off, I didn't damage any of my nail plate, and I'm like proud of myself and I feel good. Now I'm going in with this cuticle oil, guys. This is my own special blend. It smells so nice. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking of packaging it up and like selling it. I feel like everybody needs this kind of cuticle oil. It's not sticky. It's not too thick. It goes on nicely. I love it. I love it. And this is what my nails look like after. They're moisturized, they're healthy, and they're ready for another set, guys. So I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to try another polygel or if I want to go in with some acrylic. You guys give me some ideas. Should I do forms? Should I do tips? Should I do dips? Should I do dip acrylic? Like, let me know. Like, the possibilities, guys, are endless. I need some ideas.